Welcome back. Today we are talking about what happens to your life and mindset when your savings cross the $50,000 mark. When you hit $20,000, you finally got to breathe and build that unbreakable emergency shield. But hitting $50,000 is entirely different because this is the exact moment the math starts working in your favor. Getting to this point can feel like a massive grind, and you might have experienced some serious savings fatigue along the way. The magic of this milestone is that compound interest finally becomes a visible, tangible force in your portfolio. If you have been utilizing passive investments like index funds, your money is now generating noticeable returns while you sleep. You aren't just scraping together pennies anymore. You are managing a growing financial engine that has a life of its own. However, this is also the danger zone where extreme frugality can burn you out and make you forget how to enjoy life. Remember that the ultimate goal of money is freedom. So this is the perfect time to start spending guilt-free on your true passions. When I hit $50,000, I realized my safety net was so thick that my day-to-day financial anxiety completely vanished. With bad debt entirely in the rearview mirror and a robust portfolio, you now have the ultimate leverage over your own time. You are halfway to six figures, and your wealth snowball is only going to roll faster from here.